In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a US PayPal account. This process is quick and easy, taking only about 5 minutes from start to finish. Let's dive in and get you set up with a new PayPal account. First, you'll want to go to paypal.com. This is where you'll begin creating your account. Once you're on the homepage, look for the sign up button and click on it. This is the start of your journey to having a brand new PayPal account. Next, you'll be presented with a couple of options. PayPal offers different types of accounts, but today we're focusing on the personal account. This is perfect for purchasing online, sending money to friends and family, or receiving payments for personal projects. To proceed, click on Get Started. Now you're going to need to fill in some personal information, enter your name, email address, and create a strong password. It's crucial to choose a password that is both unique and secure to protect your financial information. PayPal will prompt you for any special requirements for the password, such as including numbers or symbols. Make sure to select United States as your country if it's not already selected. This ensures that you're setting up a US-based account with all the respective features and services available in your region. Accuracy is key here to avoid issues later on. Next, you'll need to provide some additional information like your full name, address, and phone number. This is crucial for identity verification and ensuring the security of your account. PayPal may also ask for additional details, so be prepared to have them on hand. After entering all your personal details, PayPal will give you the option to link a bank account, debit card, or credit card. This step isn't mandatory to complete immediately, but it's beneficial as it allows you to start making payments or withdrawing money quickly. You can always link your financial accounts later if you'd prefer. In some cases, you may need to verify your account either by linking it to your bank or by providing some additional information. Verification is an important step to gain full access to all PayPal features and increase your account's security level. PayPal offers clear instructions on how to navigate through this process, so don't worry, they'll guide you step by step. Finally, it's important to review the terms and conditions of using PayPal. Make sure you read them carefully to understand your rights and responsibilities as an account holder. Once you're comfortable with the terms, go ahead and click Agree and Create Account. And there you have it. You've now successfully created your US PayPal account. You can start using it for online transactions, sending money, or receiving funds with ease. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more informative guides like this. Thank you for watching and enjoy using your new PayPal account.